Okay guys, so let me show you one of the easiest way to make money online on autopilot without experience, and it doesn't require much effort. To be honest, all you need is to spend maybe 10-15 minutes per day to gain exposure, and in a very short period of time you'll start generating constant money with affiliate links. Now clearly there are many affiliate programs available, but this one hits the sweet spot because you can earn 50% on every conversion. So if someone spends, let's say, $100 on this solution, that's $50 for you, just like that. Okay, so let me show you. And there you have it, guys. It's 10Web. So they started up as a hosting company, but they added a lot of product and services. As you can see now, you have the AI builder, a suite of widgets, hosting obviously, migration, page speed booster, security, real-time backup, and website management. So all of this is absolutely fantastic and super easy to promote, obviously, you know. Now, if you scroll down the page, you will find the affiliate link here. There it is. So if you click on this, as you can see now, 10Web offers a 50% commission rate, which is absolutely amazing. You know, normally you will earn what, maybe 10 to 30% max, but 50% it's unheard of. You know, this is absolutely amazing. So basically you are going to earn 50% of the revenue generated from every new referral for 12 months. Now let's have a look at the pricing here. For the platform itself, as you can see, if it's built annually, so over 1 year, it's $10 per month. So this would be a $120 sale. So if someone subscribes here and buys this plan here, well, basically you make $60 immediately. If it's 24 per month, if they go for the premium one, it's 24 times 12 divided by 2, which is 288 divided by 2 is $144 for you. You know, that's absolutely amazing. Now, if they even go from build monthly, as you can see, it's $14 per month. You're gonna get still $7 just for one transaction. So all you have to do for this is to go to your affiliate program here. So again, we scroll down the page, go to affiliate, and then become an affiliate. So click on this, and then you'll have to fill out a sign-up form like this one. So all you have to do is basically enter those details. So let me do that very quickly. So there you go, something like this, you know. So don't forget to put your website here, especially if you have a blog, you know, and then put your country, password, and right here, as you can see, it says agree to receive email notifications. I would highly recommend that you tick this, because this is also how you're going to receive email notification related to your earnings. So every time you get a conversion, you will receive an email, which is absolutely exciting, especially in the beginning, you know. So let's click sign up after this, and then once you've submitted your application, 10Web is going to process it. So it might take up to 24 hours, you know, so be patient, and you receive a confirmation email letting you know that you are now part of the affiliate program. And then you'll be able to log in into your affiliate dashboard. So if you click on this, basically it's going to bring you to your dashboard. It looks something like this, you know. So basically here you have a quick overview of your situation. As you can see, you have the amount of clicks, referrals, customers, and how much you've earned over the past month. And for this, you'll have to use and place an affiliate link wherever you can, obviously, you know. So where is that link? Well, it's right here at the bottom of the page. And it will look something similar to this, you know, 10web.io followed by your personal ID. And this is how they know who promoted their services, basically, okay? So what you need to do is basically use this and place this everywhere you can. So we're going to touch up on that in a second. Now, as you can see, it says from equal David75. Now you can change this, you know, you can customize the link. Maybe you don't want your name to appear here at all. Maybe you want to show your name all together. Maybe John.Doe, okay, you want to put your full name perhaps, or maybe you want to remain anonymous and maybe you can just type in numbers, you know, whatever you want. And once you're done, click save. And there you go, then your link will look something like this if you want it to be anonymous, or you put your name all together so people will know this is your actual link, okay? So how do you know how much you've earned? Well, it's very simple. Go to the top of the page here and then click on reward, and it will bring you to your latest commissions. And they're all listed up here, you know, as you can see, $7, 50 cents, $14.50, $12.50, this one here, $101. It's $14.50, $101, and from time to time you also have a refund, as you can see here. So they all be listed by date, basically, you know, from the newest to the oldest. And then how do you get paid? Well, basically you go to payouts, it will bring you to this page here. and you get paid every month basically. At the end of the month, monthly, as you can see, net 30, you're going to get paid, and you need at least a minimum of $200. If you haven't reached the $200, maybe in the beginning it's going to take a bit of time, you know. You might get paid the second month, but be patient, obviously, you know. Here, just make sure your PayPal address is correct. That's very important, because this is how they process the payments, is through PayPal. And you have the quick overview here basically. So this was created 16 days ago, and we are owed $2,441. Now here's the big question: how can you promote those services? Well, it's super easy actually. All you need to do is to insert your affiliate link anywhere you can online. So this could be on your own website. If you have a blog, for instance, you can write an article about each services that 10Web provides. Then you can insert your affiliate link in the article. Or you can post that on your social media platform, making sure that you use hashtags like hosting or web design, because these will be your target audience. Or you can post replies on Facebook groups or online forums like Stack Overflow or even Reddit, you know. Just make sure that you participate in relevant discussions. So for instance, if someone is asking what's the best hosting provider for a WordPress website, well, you can simply answer, I heard good reports about 10Web, and then insert your affiliate link. And if you already have a mailing list, why not use it to promote those services? And once you have this up and running for a little while, since you're generating anything between, let's say, $7 up to probably $101 in commission per sale, then why not run a Google Ads campaign? Even it costs you, let's say, 3 cents per click, and you generate 10 sales per day, that's still a very good return on your investment. Now, I would highly recommend that you go and watch this video here to see a complete review of their services.